My viewers, I agree on now. The things where people they do now for love, it they even make me to fear to go even fall inside love now. We just hear say one Italian man don't kill one of our Nigerian sisters because of say wait auntie talk say she know they marry again. Say she want divorce because of this small thing where she just talk now. Waiting make this man decide say he won't go kill the girl. We hear say this lady enter inside Italy for 2017. Okay, when she come out from Nigeria, go hustle for the abroad. Now there she can't still go even fall in love. She don't know say she go fall in love with one guy where they call him Pierangelo. I mean a Pierangelo. Now there she go fall in love with this man. Thinking say she don't find her match. And 3 years later, two of them still there together. Only for auntie to come go Nigeria, I don't know who go convince her. I be who go tell her say make she leave this man. Now the auntie can't come back. Talk say she know they marry again. Say in fact, this whole love thing don't tire her. It be like say she announced this thing to Peru. The guy no even take him likely at all. The guy come the reason say person who I don't take care of, spend for, do everything for. Now she can't decide say she won't leave me. It be like say this man the thing really pain her. Now there this man go sit down for one place, go there execute how him go take you this girl. My viewers I beg, make now join me watch. Hey, man. But I sure say now the thoughts of say this lady won't leave him. I mean maybe he go the reason say he go come share him property. Then I waiting make him go sit down and say he won't kill this girl. Because look at as this man come watch from this place where I watch. He immediately straight now the girl office go. And the next thing he shoots this girl 4 times, making sure say this girl die totally. In which you say if they even carry her go hospital, in fact they no go even talk say she dey alive. He make sure say he kill this girl totally. But when they see things where people they do it for love, you love the person, but still you can't still carry gun say you won't go kill her. But for this lady and Rita, I no even pity her at all because me I feel say now what till she find now she carry her eye go see. And I know say most people for inside that abroad they don't only marry all this Oyibo because say what they won't get papers. I sure say now wetin Rita do as she enter this Italy, she don't reason and say okay, make she go marry person be say go give her papers. After this man don't give her everything now. She now she can't no see she no won't marry again. But until you say you know why so you marry this man you know look in face. Because this man face resembles serial killer, so I can't wonder how two of them even fall in love. And if no be say you say longer throat, you be 31 years, this man na 61 years. I beg how this love take connect. You wear glass for eyes as the man they toast you, I mean you toast the man. But I don't see and say now money I be something I carry this girl. But as I come reason and say this one don't even relate to money because we hear say the man no even to get. The man even dey jobless. So maybe as auntie don't build for herself now, she don't get money. Now there she comes and say, okay, this man they useless to me. So make her just leave her like that. But now say the man don't kill. Me I go say rest in peace to your soul. Because to me, this man no go feel anything. Because one, if this man go jail, he don't already live in life. He don't old, and I know say jail for abroad. Now enjoy myself, he go enjoy. So if you even sit down there, he go just do the reason. Okay, he don't keep person when one key, he don't dey settled. Nothing will go happen. And I no go even surprise say Italy government go even release this man because they go reason and say waiting. Say na Rita scammer. Because of all these documents, now waiting make a marry. So they feel reason and say okay, they cheat you. So because of this one, we won't release you. But all these girls who say now go they travel, say now they go marry because of paper. I hope say this one now, una go use and learn lesson. Say no be every man where you see now be man say you won't go chook head here. Or in both people, they know they get patience. If you go break their heart, small thing, now no say they get go, they go just carry their gun, go shoot you. Now what make this one as he go kill this drug lord heart. Now what make can decide say no, he no go fit take him. Make him kuku just kill the girl, make everything end for there. But anyway, I hope so our viewers now go use this one learn lesson. Anyways, my viewers, I go end down here for today. If you get anything to talk about this one, make na write them inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for our next story.